are doing unboxing of Hello Kitty Money Bank. So it is a box. Let's open it. Let's see what comes in it. Yeah, it's a beautiful Hello Kitty Money Bank. It's the site of inserting cells. Now I am very much excited to operate it. Let's start. It's like a little ATM machine. Also have a little space for coins. Nice. Yes, now it is going to open by a password. Yes, our password is working. There is also fingerprint option in it. Good job. It is opened. Our money is here. I like it very much. I hope you will also like it. If you liked the video, then kindly like, share and subscribe. It means a lot to me.